Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, back at it again. This time we're doing an unboxing of the Unagi Kickscooter. This is one of the smallest kick scooters on the market and the lightest. This is the box. If you got it shipped to you, it's going to come in. We're going to do an unboxing right now to show you just how small this thing really is. Okay, so it even gives you unboxing instructions right over here from the get-go. Has a QR code for tutorials, so you really can't get this wrong, but basically you want to lift this up, it looks like, and it's got some protection there. So it doesn't look like much. Let's take it out of this box and see what happens after that. Here we go. We have this box. Oh, looks like it requires a little bit of assembly as well to put on, but it doesn't look like much. It even comes with the tool and some screws, it looks like. So here it is, folks, all unboxed. The Unagi One, the E500 dual motor electric scooter. And what's amazing about this is just how compact this scooter is. Really nothing like it on the market. And I'm absolutely amazed by this design. It looks so slick and sleek. One thing I just noticed right now is it does come with power. So you can basically grab this and drive it around. And since it's not been outside, maybe I should just kick it around indoors a little bit, see how it runs. There's a display right there. So I just want to give you a little stats about this. It's all here on the box. So you get a top speed of 19 miles, which is 30 kilometers top speed, with a distance of 15 miles or 24 kilometers for your max range. Again, as I mentioned, it's got that one-click fold. And it weighs only 28 pounds, 13 kgs, and 1,000 watts of peak power. What really distinguishes this electric scooter from everything else on the market is the portability and the design. Now, it's not perfect. It is compact and small. It doesn't really have the best in terms of suspension, but those are trade-offs. You can't have your cake and eat it too with electric scooters. You might get a long range, but you're going to have to compromise on the weight. But one thing I should point out is with this is the charging block that it comes with. Some of them actually have a smaller one where the block is actually built into the bottom of this, but they chose not to do that because they're trying to save on the weight. So if you are going long distances, say longer than 22 kilometers, you'll want to carry this with you. It's not that big. You can put this in a backpack. You should be good to go, but that'll allow you to plug it in wherever you go to make sure that you have enough juice while you're riding. So make sure you watch the video where I compare this with other e-scooters on the market. You want to check that one out. It really shows when you compare them all, the differences when you ride one over another or try to pick one over another. That's when you really appreciate which one is right for you. So that video will be very helpful for a lot of people. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out with the Unagi Model One E500 dual motor electric scooter.